So we finished the second look. Yeah, and it was good, isn't it?
Yes, very good.
We had a good time, and like I said, this was like a more chic, elegant look. So now, Michelle, we're going with the third look.
Yeah.
And this is the...
This is going to be extravagant, eccentric, bold. Everything that you think that you wouldn't wear, this is what we're going to do. So it's going to be black. I'm gonna keep the lips. Maybe you're thinking, but you're gonna do black and then red lips. Yes, I'm gonna do that, and that's why I said it's eccentric, it's extravagant, it's unique. Also, one of the things, if you've seen the previous videos, that you need to watch the previous videos, of course.
You need to, yes.
Yes.
How can you next video?
We didn't have to remove the makeup, so this is like makeup
one on top of makeup.
Exactly, but as you can see, you can do that. So if you are someone that likes makeup and you also like to change your looks throughout the day, this is a good thing to see, and see how I passed to casual, to elegant, and now we're gonna go eccentric. So I'm gonna start. Again, if I'm not showing the details of the makeup that I'm doing, it's just because this is about the fashion style that Leonardo does, and it's just showing my makeup, how I combine the makeup together. In the future we might do, we never know.
Yes, if you like it, you enjoy it, we'll remove this video. What do you think?
Exactly.
So that'll be lovely. I enjoyed it, you enjoyed it, you enjoyed it too, no?
Exactly.
Let us know, please comment below.
So it's been a long day.
Very long day, yeah. I enjoyed every minute.
Thank you. Me too, I've enjoyed it. We finished the third look, the eccentric and bold, and you can see why it's eccentric, because it's like dark eyes and red lipstick, which is something that of course normally you wouldn't do it, but we wanted to do something different because this is 3 different looks, and that's why we did, I've kept the lipstick and then I went dark on the eyes. Also because when you see the outfit together, you're gonna understand it. We're gonna understand why I did it. So on the eyes for this look, I've used this palette. I'm just gonna get closer and show you. The Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. I've been using this palette quite a lot on my videos because it's a colorful eyeshadow palette, as you can see, but also it has a perfect dark black, like pitch black, and it has a perfect highlighter. So that's why I really like this palette, and this is a palette I've used to create this look. I'm going to show you the colors that I've used close, and then I'll do a close-up of the makeup. So on this makeup I've used this blue over here, and then of course the black, and I've mixed them together. I also, as a transition color, I've used this red slightly on the top, and I'm gonna show you. Yeah, we also, so you can see that it's a very dark eyeshadow, and you can see the blue and the black and a little bit of the red as well. Also, another reason for me to use the blue and not go completely black on the eye is that with the black you have to be careful, and because I already had eyeshadow before, because of the second look, it would be very tricky to blend the black, especially because it was a shimmer eyeshadow, and because it's tricky, that's why I went with the blue, and I've smudged the blue, and then on the edges I've added the black, and it's easier if you want to change a look. If you're coming from a day makeup to evening makeup and you want to do this, it's better if you start using a dark blue, and then going to black. I think it's the easiest way to do. And then on the lips, I've decided, so this is
different.
Yeah,
I've never seen it.
I've decided to put eyeshadow on top of the lips to make it more matte, but also has there's a shimmer, a bronzy shimmer. So it was also from the same palette, and I've used this eyeshadow, and I've just put it on top of the lipstick just to make it different. And we also used fake lashes, false lashes. I mean, And yeah, this is the third and last look for the makeup to her third outfit.
Yeah, so I will go and change now, and I will show you what I'm wearing for the third and darkest look.
So this is a bye from me, and I hope you guys have enjoyed my makeup.
Yes,
And
please let us know.
yeah, give us some support, please.
And if you enjoy it,
yeah,
please
All
sign
right.
up, subscribe to both channels down below. I will put every bit down below of Michele.
thank you.
And please follow and let us know if you want us more of us. Okay? A presto.
Ciao.
Hi guys. So this is the third and last look. So you can see the makeup we just said, changed everything, the really dark eyes, isn't it, Michele? This red lipstick. And normally she says doesn't do that, but the reason is because I'm all in black, so we need to have some kick of the makeup. So I decided to wear this, let's call it jumper cardigan type thing, but with lace. So it's a one piece. And this is Max Mara, and I paired it with the shorts. Actually, I can say it's my jeans that I cut it. I didn't like any more long, so I cut it, and then I put a little slip, if I can see. So it makes it slightly different. It's like a bit cool, you know. I could wear something more smart underneath, but it's too heavy. So I put these jeans with my Sergio Rossi shoes. That is it really. And to finish the look, I pair with this bag. It's red and black, so you can see it brings it all together. So that's my last look. I hope you like it. And I decided to just do the hair. Maybe they're not perfect because it's very quick, but I just put some spray, like I wanted to do the wet look. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link in the description is down below. So please let us know if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you very soon. Ciao, a presto, un bacio a tutti.